make something clear. You see Ghana. That country where you put there, that country called Ghana, the animal kingdom where you put there. I did tell you inside where I enjoy myself. You see country like Ghana, then get foolish police people, foolish leaders, some useless leaders. It's not be all the leaders with them fool. Some of the leaders, they are stupid, they are useless, foolish servicemen, useless policemen walking around in Ghana. So then get some fool like Shatta Wale. A fool where we see him the time we come, he said they call him Bandana. No who bomb Bandana, Shatta Wale, you forget yourself. Sometimes Shatta Wale, they do something, they act arrogant, they pay me too much, say, you they call yourself ghetto boy, you know where you from. You know your beginning, you know how things where you pass inside, where you can't get something small where you they chop. Then you they act this arrogant and things. But I know they blame you. That country called Ghana, that animal kingdom, where them born we for there. Sometimes, you see, you know they want sin against God. But sometimes if they sit down there, they think, say, so God know they love you. Why then go born you for a country like Ghana? Ghana be better country comparing to some Africa. But we get stupid, useless, fool leaders where we choose them, where we put them for their way. Them fool. That makes sometimes you question yourself, you won't question God, say, why you born you for a country like Ghana? But if you get good leaders like Ghana, be better country where man you go be proud, say, them born you for Ghana. Because make I tell you something. If you travel, come abroad, you there abroad. If you come abroad, where you see how these other foreigners they are proud of we Ghanaians where we there, America, Canada, Europe. If you tell somebody say you from Ghana, if you Oyibo self, you tell Oyibo say you from Ghana, the Oyibo they say yeah you from correct country. But you where you from that country, you see the leaders where you get them, the foolishness where they go there with foolish person like Bandana from Ghana. We get fool like Shatta Wale where he be Bandana the time where he come. No who born he they walk, phone thief, or a jeffun. Till today, sir, you Shatta Wale, you no put perfume, sir, you they smell. You put perfume, sir, you they smell. You, Shatta Wale, if you go jump for stage, where you can't come out in jacket, go ask deportee them follow back. You not go feel breathe. Shake Shatta Wale, your mouth like dog where he miss road. Your mouth like dog where you miss road. You still get money serve you they smell. The people that they don't go talk you. Perfume to lale, shege. I bought you to lale be your food. You the perfume yourself like it be you they do the perfume that they do for your room inside. Still you say you get money serve, you still they smell. But Ghana is a useless country, some foolishness they go on way. Anybody where you fool, you can't do some nonsense team. No, they see him like a celebrity. What did they celebrate about you, Shatta Wale? Tell me. You say you get money. How much money you get? How much money you get where you go wake up then they disrespect people? How much money you get? You not get money. The time you can't wait they call you bandana, what nabo? Oye fun, oye muji for ploto ni kangotomi. You dey wear that Chelsea pant, Shatta Wale. You dey wear that Chelsea pant. The heat way they the pant inside the logo fi boil egg. The heat where they that Chelsea pant inside so go fi boil. We see you. We dey you for Adamaka Raspberry, Strasberry. We will they buy you the chop. You forget. My boy Lax, we dey. The time where they come Yonki, we dey party for Raspberry. The Mercury, where you come there. You wear women them are beasts where they put for them a waist. You say you be chain. That time, women them are beasts where they wear. You forget your picture there. Me that you take picture. Pictures there. You don't wear women them are beasts for your waist. The one the women they wear for them a waist. It there your neck. Then calfe killer lumi all over you. You come. My boys not the one buy you drink safe. My boys not the one buy you drink safe. They say, no, come up for them. Me, I tell them, say, make you not do so. Make them leave you. We buy you drink, we do. You finish, we give you a shower self, you go chop. On your head, baby, that time you forget how you they stink. You come table, everybody they move. Nobody want you for your table. To today self, you they stink. Then God then Namwan go steal people their money. Namwan no go steal people their money. But like by now, you Shatawale, you did that fucking yellow house. The house where you pay them like public toilet. Where you did there. Like by now, you did there. Like by now, you did there. You did that fucking public toilet house where you go rent, where you they do that your song for there. If God then Namwan no can steal people money. Like by now, you did that public toilet house, that yellow house where them pay Tonya. Then you they work. People they do road. You don't pay them, make them do road. Then you don't pay them, make them do road. They do road, you they work. You reach there, them block road. You ask who they do the road. The guy tell you say it so. When you slap him. Policeman they know if you do anything. They say the policeman take picture plus you, then things where they leave them go. You see how stupid Ghana they? You see how useless that country Ghana they? Who police ni na war now? Ye bo contractor na sooner one chi was at a wale a uchucha pictures. Oni ni siri ko ma mi twe onya be tu aka ka na be bo we kun. Who sa policeman you know? You ka ene be bo we kun sa policeman na what that premises no be bia assembly see ya no a wo hwe ye bo contractor na sum a wanye hwi udi Shatawale twitwa pictures na ujaya ni kware uyi weni because kwasia or Shatawale ti aboa eobianka ubeka se mu kwasia fo bi ti se mu police for kwasia fo bi ti se mu na ma ya police for yedi hu ebufuo ni akoyi the whole Ghana police yedi hu kwasia police na what that premises na that moment no kwasia sem ni see ya na one year they say embrace say no in the right way. Say who said the guy has been abused. I say Shatawale say massa who ya nyutunia who no boy Shatawale onishi na mwanko yanko for skanka kwa sia onim so be swim or swimming pool mu. Before you go swim for swimming pool inside, you go pay golden tulip or sick up then swim. So at my here. Naka namwan ambe wianko fosika amfa tosa kwa siefie na mawa utine mwanka naka wu before ube jari swimming pool abua ubakotu ya golden tulip anasika anabeko chema untumi fie anasa bosu despite mwa who stress from skano before you kwa siya Shatawale animal bomb piki go see swimming pool nya egbemi. Then people they do wala sa omu bro mo jeni they do road. Hey, even the contractor will lose guard. I swear to God. If the contractor will lose God, like me na me a contractor, ube this Sophie ni ama ni chisu wauti. I swear to God, like you no go move on my right, and they do road. Where them block the road, you they can't pass. They say they go make you go pass. You they ask say who be there? What tell you say where you slap me? Obayo nyek bemimi. You know be the motor guys where they follow you. We go chase them plus Sophie then we borrow their things. We borrow the things we go take chase them. You Shatawale Ghana is if you know Ghana be animal country, animal kingdom country. You be celebrity. You come America, why you no can do so? You come America, you they do like good boy. You see everybody, hey. Everybody they respect for Yonki. You people travel, go Europe, America, then things. All those people for there, they respect them. You they give them maximum respect. But you come Ghana, your fellow Ghanaians, you disrespect Mimi. Then you two people say that they celebrate you. They say you be artists. You say they can't give nation speed. If you know be country like Ghana, animal, you go feel do that. You go feel do that. And they go sue you. They go sue you. So they go do you. But country like Ghana, no law no day. Animal born kingdom. Stupid country. I just told you inside hot water inside. That was inside the sweat, no. I wake up. And I see the news they go. And I do video yesterday, then block the video. I post the video where I don't know how the video delete. Jimmy. Now one no can steal people that money like you go call yourself. Music inside you don't make any money. Tarosis and Nabo. Andrew Smith and Nabala Bakobo Bagbala. If you not be now one way you can steal people them money. Where you buy you Shatawale house. Music inside you don't get any money. Like you still there that yellow house inside. That toilet house. The house where you pay them yellow. We see you where you come bandana. But sometimes We not gonna feel blame God. We not gonna feel blame God. Then they tell you say God day. God, you know people that my heart. You God of God. God, they say God day. God know what will happen the next minute. God, you know people that my heart. You know people where you give them money, they gonna feel help mankind. They gonna feel help people. You say how much money you get. Eh? Then you go, shall I invest too much? You see those people, they're real hustlers, no. I go if you go slap somebody where they do road. They no do road. People will talk, say, see Ghana road. Portos kill Airborne. Portos kill Terrible Chaka. Portos kill. Onya, now they do road. Then block road. You not go. You won't go. You slap the guy where they do the road. Eh? Kimaku Sinabo. You people say Ghana road no good. No, they do road. Ghana road no good. They know they do road. Now them put people they do road. You won't pass. They say them block the road. You don't go fit pass. Then they do the road. Then who be the contractor? Then call them. You have the supervisor for you. Then you this. If you not be fucking name where you get on some real shit. If those criminal dirty boys where they ride the motor, they follow you. If they're not there, you go fit slap that guy. Shatawale. If be only you, where you they drive that car, nobody they follow you. You know what feel? They say you know go step. You go say, oh boss, Mbacho if you will say, or you go go pass somewhere, go your house. If only you they walk, you go feel slap that guy. If you done well then lose God, wallahi. Allah. If you done well then lose God, you want Sophie, need chisel. Any hammer, or we barrow her. Where you people make Shatawale slap, where they say police dead there. Police laugh with Shatawale. He laugh with Shatawale, watch Shatawale where he take pictures and things where them go, where you watch the guy where they do the road, the abuser. So you the policeman, how you want make the people believe you? You the policeman, you are friend to we, you there to protect poor people like we where we don't got nobody to protect us. Because we are not celebrities. You don't understand me? You the policeman, you there to protect we the poor people where we don't got nobody to protect us. Then you there. Then you watch there, then slap somebody. Then you don't do anything, you just watch. You take picture plus Shatawale where you make it go. Onya me who's our police to know? I pray say ask them to go kill you. Any policeman where you know the right thing to do, where you don't do. You see that road where the guy they do, where them beat them no. You that policeman, if you the ride motor, or you the ride car, or in the crossroad, car be power kum. So who ni madipa, anyone here, you watch where the guy in your right is being abused. Who can't be kum? Say road no so no here, and I abuno. You go guys then die. Yeah. If you got yes, so Bob Africa, if the construction men them be Chinese, you not gonna fit do so. You not gonna try safe by your fellow Ghanaians. Your fellow Ghanaians, you want disrespect them. Say they go wake up and they say celebrity can't cast, celebrity won't boom. Go closer to Shatawale and see how they stink. People where they come, they go fit tell you, perfume being food. Somebody say, man, you don't understand what is happening, so you make it the talk. I don't understand when you me with your fake account. Kwasia. You go fit tell me what they happen. The guy where them beat Shatawale must say no pay for the construction. You people can't tell us say being pay for the road. You somebody say you don't know me. We know what interview. The guy where they slap him, I don't know anything. The guy where they slap him, you can't talk. You know what you interview? Kwasia. Say we don't know anything about the thing. We don't know anything about the thing like we can't talk. Kwasia. Animal born pickings like you people. That be why Ghana know they move forward. That why country like Ghana, animal kingdom, fools like you there. Say we don't know what they go on. We don't know what they go on. We know the case said. Even Shatawale is right. He has no right to slap the guy. Trouble baby I want to Jimmy for. Say we don't know what they go on with the talk. Papa ne hustle side is can be fi abetwa maaminu ubusa for Jimmy for mo fi tan na muna no obi kwa sebi so a celebrity. No wa born asuma be ude. Kwasia, which right Shatawale have the right to go slap somebody? Which right? Say I don't know what they go on. Which right he get? Son of a bitch. Kwasia the shot say your mother said do not chop am for room where them born am. Then they there. You should Kwasia say he pay for the contractor. Kwasia go listen to Shatawale talk. Shatawale say he no pay for anything. Go listen to the contractor and talking. The Kwasia, you see you don't know what they go and say Shatawale pay. You go fi pay for road. You know how much money they take they do road. I bought totally why that boy they use fake account. No mami try. Shatawale go fi pay for road. He go fi pay for road. That beggar, he go fi pay for road. He run for your house, make them do am. Jimmy say Shatawale pay for road. You go fi pay for road. Enya egbemi. Somebody say I dey sweat. I dey tab inside. Hot water inside a day. Onya egbemi. You watch my feet. You see what inside a day? I dey tab inside. Kwasia. Hot water inside a day. That boy dey sweat. You know be the talking. Umami try you there. Enya bucket na ubu na odijari. You get time for your house where you go fi do bubble water then lay inside. Onya egbemi say I dey sweat. Hot water inside a day no. Feel through muko. You are never getting out of the cocoon so sa Animal Kingdom na odijari. Asia say Shatawale pay. You go fi pay. You go fi pay. Life I dey live no. I dey my place. I dey my tub inside. Hot water plus shampoo for everywhere. You see shampoo everywhere. Onya egbemi. Then they gather and say Ghanaian musicians, then this, then they talk. Shatawale, hey, Shatawale, you yourself, Ghana will be Animal Kingdom. We fool like you, fool like you. Shatawale, we see you where you come. Give any time you pray to Namwa. By you that the Namwa, your time go come. I see how you there country where you there country. Shatawale say be celebrity. Shatawale you come here, eh? You come America, you come. You see Ghanaians, you they respect them. Ghana self, I don't go blame you. Nana Akufo-Addo go rule you people like that. You see, make I tell you something. You dey expect say we go can't do video, tell Nana Akufo-Addo do the country. Nana Akufo-Addo not be small boy. We don't can't tell Nana Akufo-Addo fix the country. Nana Akufo-Addo nya akwala. That ministers the things where they see, they not be kidding so. Omutu kwamba abrochire. Enye ye never be catch up say fix the country. Omo me Jimmy ana. Eh? Omo Jimmy ana. Kwasia. There you go there they talk say moku we tell Nana Akufo-Addo make it fix country. We go tell Nana Akufo-Addo. And you approach him. Where they go, they borrow money. No be America, they come, they borrow them. You don't see how the country nice. Onya egbemi, you say you be fake account. Oh, you blog, go die. Onya egbemi, you be mana. Take your real account, come. Kwa siya Jimmy for. You did that, the sister no the work give you. You know be bucket and ka no go feel back. Kwa siya, bucket for nibi. You go to beg your neighbor bucket where they take the bath. Your neighbor bucket where they take the bath. You get shower for your house. Umami try public bathroom. Where free man no walk home. Where jari you no walk home. Kwasia you to the talk you the talk. Kwasia ala tasamina ni wan kase sebre ekro ayehun Shatawale. Ekro di nam ni hu no be easy. Shatawale you this dirty guy. Rashes way there body a crony namu you to say be celebrity. To lale if you not be perfume Shatawale you don't go fit come public inside. You did the way you can't the contractor will lose God will make you ni one be you Shatawale. Ghanaians where they hail you where they hail you to the station now you they disrespect. IGP they watch this thing they circulate. Police commander, you they watch. You know they do anything because he be Shatawale, a fool, Animal Kingdom country. You don't go do anything, they watch. Animal Kingdom country, you they watch. A fool like Shatawale, go bully somebody. Then you policeman there, you take picture. Kwasia, who IGP no? You the IGP or the policeman where they don't for catch you find some gay, make you chop your eyes, make you get Shatawale self he be gay. Asaki Naboya Kaki South Pole. You the policeman say, you the IGP say, don't for catch you. You the police commander. Yempe gay, be not do 2 years. Nanya sambre because and I'm so udi che, una che, flala, udinti, uni nyansam. You get pussy in the chop so you don't get sense. Nyansa new trim, but if you get some gay guide you or do two on your piano shem here, what Jimmy baby feel, mommy che, Jimmy for. Then you did there. You go tell me say Moku we can't lead this country. This country. You know be abroad they can't borrow the money. Money that can't they borrow be abroad they borrow the money. Eh? Nana kufado all back Rome no all back brochure all Spain all France all say all Bobisiano. Oh, sana krono yefe. Ono ni nyansa so be siesie krono. Ye na baba kacha na Akufo-Addo se on siesie krono. Jimmy say me make I can't talk. Kwasia koye demonstration. Go do demonstration. Jimmy 40 say that boy Shatawale dey there. Kwasia say Shatawale na Ghana nkoso. Say they can't give state. O ma me twe because me hear me baff na makwakoda. If they can't release or be releasing the baller album. So if they anytime they can't release song where you know the few win no Grammy, you know the few win no BET, then you go want to do some Jimmy just to create some controversy. Anytime Shatawale can release some baller album, baller, that video them they trend with good song their things. Anytime that Ben Abu they can release baller song bia, you go do Jimmy, make it trend. You go do some foolish Jimmy, make it trend. Then just for you to you release song say your song no the hit. You release your song no the hit. Baller. Shata me worry kashindo me worry. Oh you need cheerful. When I walk catch up manche, oh you be me. You two say, hey, Charlie, make I open my shower there. Then make a shower then come up for this tab inside. Oh, you then they talk at you two, you talk. Then they talk at you two go beat somebody. You Shatawale, you get somebody to beat. Manebon, na moi daruma. You can't steal people them money. Na moi daruma. Na moi daruma. You never feel do that for America. You know if you try touch nobody self for America, who point that monkey? You get money self, you ugly. Shatawale, they say you get money self, you ugly. You're muff like Heathrow Airport. Heathrow Airport. You're muff like Barcelona Camp Nou. Shaggy. God know why he create you ugly like me, you Shatawale. God, you know God, he be God. Oh. You know your foolishness. No way, you bomba. Onye to mo kladuna. Onye to nona ka obeke bia egbe. Kingdom country. Wake up. They say artist. You the Nigerian artist. How handsome look. Look at see from Davido, Whiskey, this. What's up with them? Davido, Whiskey, Timaya. So, see how they look handsome. They look handsome. Only Ghana artists see them ugly. From Kwame Yuji, Kwame Yuji, Stonebwoy, Shatawale, this thing. Kwame Yuji, Shatawale, Stonebwoy, who? Make you mention the name, give me. Where be the Ghana artist? I don't remember the ugly from Kwa. Shatakaru say, boss, you buy what? Hey, I beg you, I go. I want to take my shower, then go find some place sleep. Ghana celebrities. Muanyefe, Mutantan. So Nigeria for no other celebrity. Hey, you Shatawale Cabo Snoop, Wembeck. That guy say fine pass you. You, Shatawale, Cabo Snoop, the guy will do way back. He said if I pass you, ugly animal born pikin. God bless you with some little change, you know. Now one goes steal people that money, bless you with some little change, you know. You won't can't disrespect people. Oh yeah, you go see what we then you go do. Your time go come. I be they travel. The Ghanaians they disrespect, your time go come. Ni bulu, ni kole manche. Oh shak tumo kole lagoon. Sylvester Sari, I see you, General. Oh shak. On bon ti sa amani totobi kwachu on kan ti say kako onya egbemi. Then you there you say be celebrity so fully the fool. Go open fire give you the right time. Na egbemi me. You go feel buy that car. You get money. If God no be if you no be God and now you go fit get car. You did that and they talk, they talk, you two you they talk. Say you be celebrity. Hey. Charlie, I dey go, I dey go find something do. You did and you did. Kwashia to lobi fi bully anabi kolo abiji. Kolo abiji. Attack wabna say kakra say Kwame Darlington so okay so okay I dey go nusu wo mo ma mi twem baku SM4 SM5 nkrofo kwa phone thief I come na di mu baketa mu di dware be pai mo ma mi twe make something clear. You see Ghana, that country where you put day, that country called Ghana, the animal kingdom where you put day. I dey top inside where I dey enjoy myself. You see country like Ghana, then get foolish police people, foolish leaders, some useless leaders. It's not be all the leaders with them fool. Some of the leaders, they are stupid, they are useless, foolish servicemen, useless policemen walking around in Ghana. So then get some fool like Shatawale, a fool where we see him the time where he come, he said they call him Bandana. No who bomb. Bandana, Shatawale, you forget yourself. Sometimes Shatawale, you they do something, they act arrogant, they pay me too much, say, you they call yourself ghetto boy, you know where you from. You know your beginning, you know how things where you pass inside, where you can't get something small where you they chop. Then you they act this arrogant and things, but I know they blame you. That country called Ghana, that animal kingdom, where them born we for there. Sometimes, you see, you know the one sin against God,